Okay, guys. There's been quite a few questions about how to get into Khan Academy and attach me as a teacher. Most of you guys are in there, not everyone is, and that's a really big problem, considering that your time to finish the Khan Academy assignments has started, and not everyone is actually even in there yet. So I'm going to show you this video on how to do it. I made a fake account so you guys can see it kind of from beginning to end. And so if there's any confusion, hopefully this will totally help. So go ahead and go to khanacademy.org. I know you guys can't see my address bar, but just type in khanacademy.org. You should see a screen like this. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up for an account. You can just click up here, even where it says log in, or you can say start learning now, either one, and sign up with one of these. I really do suggest that you sign in with Google, just because a Gmail account is something you need anyway. You need one for like a Google Drive account anyway, so you might as well sign up with a Google account. I already have one pre-made, so I'm just going to click up here to log in. And if you have a Google account, you're going to select this one. Facebook is very sketchy in how it works with this program. It works sometimes, but not consistently, so that's up to you. But again, I would really suggest using like a Gmail account if you have one. Otherwise, you're going to have to create an account without email. That's what I did in this case. So there's that. Let's see my password. And go ahead and log in. So when you log in, it's going to take you to this dashboard screen. If you're absolutely brand new, it's going to say, can you agree to my terms and services? Go ahead and read it. Everything's free. The whole thing is funded privately, so they're not going to charge you any money. And start learning. So the first thing you have to do, again, this is your brand new, you've never actually logged in, you're going to have to choose a pathway, which you can actually pick later, but I'm going to go ahead and pick the all of math pathway. This way, if I choose to work independently later on my own, I'm not going to be hindered by choosing, say, like just geometry. I can work on all concepts. So that's what this program does actually really well, is that it helps you learn a lot of things at once. This is probably the screen you get, and you might click Start or you might just click X, but the thing you really want is this Coaches tab right here. So let's just say you hit Start. It'll bring you to your learning dashboard, and it might have you take a test or look at this stuff first, but I'm just going to X out because I want to attach myself to Mr. Collins first as a coach. So what I'm going to do if I'm on this particular screen is click the Home button, and then click the Coach button, and then I'll go ahead and type in my code. People are kind of getting in weird places, like you hit this coach button instead, or maybe hit something else. But I'm gonna so let's just say I did hit this coach button right here, uh, and I end up in this screen, which is the coaches screen. Okay, I'm going to click Learning Home. If this is the case, I'm going to click Learning Home, and that should take me back to my main screen, and now I can access coaches again. And again, it's coaches that I want, not coach. These are the controls that if you're going to coach other people, other students, and help them with math, this is where you go. Like that's where I'm going to go for you guys. But if you're here as a learner, you want to click that coaches menu right here. Now you just got to type in the coaches code. Now, if you're wondering where to get the coaches code, they're all posted in my homework as an assignment. It's probably past due if you haven't done it. But that's where you're going to find those codes. This is the code for, I think, 4A or 4B, I forget. But anyway, that's it. Now I'm in. Now, in terms of what I need to do now, I'll just go ahead and click this home button. And I can go start learning the world of math. And again, I'm going to click out of this for now. These are just like a warm-up thing, and it's this first time in Khan Academy, they have to kind of know information about you so they can kind of start designing missions for you. So you can go ahead and run through like these 6 problems. I'm going to close them for now. But there's going to be a set of problems here, which I'm going to show in the second video what that's going to look like, about what you have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do this warm-up really fast so I can access the rest of my personalized practice skills and see what it looks like when I have been assigned stuff by Mr. Collins, okay? So that's